Ollie's cheese.
Hello?
Yeah. Oh, Ollie, you look smart in your pants. Oh, they're nice and tight.
Can I put your jacket on you?
Oh.
Ready? Put your jacket on. Oh, nice. Put the arm in. Oh.
Oh, Ollie. Very smart. Yeah, very smart.
Oh, look at you. You're a big boy.
Are you going to turn around?
Oh, Ollie.
Turn around, turn around. Woohoo! Oh, so smart. Two smart boys.
I think if we cut it at the back there, so then he's got
Yeah.
a little bit more room. Oh, it just seems silly to buy something else. So.